Matongretio ni spika wa bunge ya Senate Ekwe Ethuro. Kamiti ino ya bunge ni yamukirite njira ya kiriu ya uigi wa utambia wa mohoro niguo gutigirira atongoria na makuingira thutha wa githurano kinene ni mathie na mbere na wira wao na njira huthu.
That was a very good starting point, and they have come up with the best classroom model, which to us is one of the achievements of the Senate, and some counties like Kwale and Baringo have already adopted it in their ECD. And I think this is a good practice. It is such practices that the committee considered it right to come up with a final report.
Muikariri gite wa kamiti ino Mutahi Kagwe augite ati riboti iyo ni kugacirithia wira wa kamiti iria iguthurwo thutha wa githurano kinene.
We are here so that the next parliament can find it easier to continue with the work that this committee has been engaged in. It has been parliamentary practice, at least in our nation, that when one parliament dies or finishes, then the work starts all over again anew.
No na kuhana uguo, Mutahi ni aroririe kamiti iria ingi ciandike riboti ciacio niguo gutigirira aria maguthurwo ni magia na ihinda ihuthu kuruta wira wao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV mohoro Gitau, nie njitagwo Maina wa Mwangi.